guys, welcome back to my channel. So look, before we get into the video, I just wanted to come on here and talk to you guys about a new brand that is upcoming. It's new, it's fresh, it's gonna be great. And she is relaunching everything in June, so you guys be on the lookout for that. I'm gonna have everything down below so you guys can go ahead and check that out. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of show you guys her products first before I get started, because I will be using some of her products. Now, what I have first is this would be a highlighter, and this is called Kay Delight, y'all, and it's like in this cute little package. Yes, y'all, hold on. I'm gonna make a mess. Okay, so y'all look at it. It's like so beautiful. Hold on, let me dab her up and put it right here. Oh, she a natural highlight. I like that. Can't wait to use it. Okay, so we're gonna see how that go. Okay, so I also have her lip kit as well. So it comes with 3 pencils. It looks like a cute nude color, and then I have like a chocolate and then a red. So that is nice. And then I have her lip gloss. This right here is beautiful, you guys. Like, can you see that? Ooh. And then this is like a pretty subtle pink gloss. I don't even know if y'all can see it. Hold on. Let me change the lighting. Okay. And then she has a cute little clear, look like gold flakes is in there. And then she has this pretty like bronze color. Also have lashes. Now, these are Princess. She told me that these are her natural lashes because she know I love natural. I hate dramatic. But these are the lashes, you guys. Like, look at them. They're pretty. So I can't wait to try it now. She told me they natural, but these, I don't know, they still look a little dramatic for me. She already know me, but they're beautiful. These are beautiful. I still like them though. So we're gonna see how they look on me. But yes, guys, oh, and then lastly, she gave me this cute little tweezers. Cute, it's pink. I never use tweezers to put my lashes on, but I am gonna try it out today. So just because she gave it to me, so we're gonna do that. No, this is not all of her products that she does have. This is just the stuff that I can probably accomplish, because her other stuff, you know, she got like glitters for your eyes and all that. Girl, I can't. I'm still learning the makeup game, y'all, so I'm trying to get it together. But yes, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and get into the video. We're gonna try her products out, you guys. Let's see how it looks. So yeah. So before we get into everything, what I'm gonna need everybody to do is definitely subscribe to this channel and like this video, okay? Now let's just get into it. Y'all, please look at this wing. Girl. Y'all, I messed the wing up so bad. I had to just come on and just like, y'all, look at, I don't know what I'm doing, y'all, but don't judge me. Girl, she looks terrible just looking back at it. Girl, enjoy the video. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. But until next time, you know what it is. Your girl is out. So bye.